Silence. Camera.
Rolling.
Action.
Well, as the name suggests, it's about the journey of this boy and girl. Very, very sweet, love-hate kind of story.
Sir, what is the Sutta?
Hey, Sumant, Yana, Sumant. Hey.
Okay.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹೀರೋದು ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಹಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬಬ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಪೀಪಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Be a really wholesome entertainer. Family values are there, romance is there, action is there, a little bit of chaos, and it's overall a very, very cool entertainer.
ಇನ್ನು 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು.
100% ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇದೇ ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
Locations andre we shot in Bangalore, we shot in Hyderabad, we shot in Chennai, maybe for smaller number of days because nam shooting actually within 22 days mugittu. So before it could soak in, I was done with the movie. But as far as the songs go, I have only one song in the film, and that has been shot in Green Mat. So we basically visited various locations by staying in one place. So you see, there's sand and there's water, and basically all elements of our being. And I personally thought, I didn't know how the song was going to pan out because we didn't really have an idea what it's going to look like at the end. But I'm very happy with the way it's looking. It took me to many places and back without a passport. Mention one, we were shooting at the railway platform in Hyderabad, in Ramoji Film City, and there is this one scene and they wanted to shoot it continuously between Sumant and myself. Where he's running, I'm running behind him. Eventually I'm supposed to follow him, but here what happened is I tripped before time, and poor thing, he wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared to fall, so I just fell and he fell. Thankfully he didn't break his nose. And how we basically got entangled in each other, and we were both so angry with the whole scene. We were shooting this at some 12 in the night, if I'm not wrong. I can't really remember what time we were shooting it, but it was a night effect shot, and I found that to be extremely hilarious and very painful. Piracy. Piracy is a punishable offence and you don't want to be behind bars. Well, Anand Audio is the only audio company I've heard of. To be honest, especially in the Kannada industry, I'm thinking 90% of my films, the songs have been released through Anand Audio. And I'm hoping this journey with them continues because I love the way that they promote their music. I like that they doing things differently. And even this particular promotional strategy that they've come up with, I'm very impressed with that. And I'm hoping this journey continues. They're also going to be presenting the music for my next film. So Anand Audio, be good to me.